Hi everyone, it's Dr. Tess of Beverly Hills. Thank you so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. To my subscribers, thank you so much. And to those of you who haven't subscribed, stick around. Hopefully, I will share some information that makes you want to hit that subscribe button. On this channel, we focus on the optimization of your aesthetic, hormonal, and physical health. Today, we're actually going to talk about lips. Yes, lips. And the thing about lips, that applies to men and women in today's world of aesthetics. I have just as many men that come in for lip injections as women. Now, even outside of lip injections, there's moisturizers that we should use for our lips. And I'm not talking about like the lip balm and everything that we normally buy in a store, because that actually dries the lips out. Haven't you noticed that whenever you buy like chapstick, you end up using like the whole tube and you just can't stop because it's made like that to make you have to buy more? Makes sense, right? Now, Rodan & Fields actually has like this moisturizer that can be used for your lips, which actually replenishes the moisture in your lips, not licking them. You don't want to do that. That actually makes your lips worse, and you could end up with like those little sores in the corner of your mouth. You don't want to be the kid with sores in the corner of your mouth. So that's as far as lip maintenance. But I had a patient who asked a question about lip injections. He had his lips injected and he still felt the residual, like he said that he actually said that he could like pop his lip, and I told him don't do that. That's not attractive. But he was asking, could that material, what was it? Basically, when we inject the lips, and I will do a video demonstrating this to you, there are two layers. There's a moist layer, and there's just an area that you're not supposed to inject into. And if a person was to put product into that part of the lip, it will be there forever. Now, how can you get rid of it? It can be melted away with a product called hyaluronic. However, you should go back to your injector and you should bring that to your injector's attention and allow that injector to melt that product out. Because if you go to someone new, it's only fair to that new person that they start with a clean slate and that they can give you a perfect outcome. With this particular patient, we're going to have him in. We're going to go ahead, melt that product out, allow him to heal. That's, I guess, the best word that I could use, heal, because once you put the hyaluronic in, it breaks down the material that you don't want, but it continues until a certain period of time. So we don't want to inject right behind putting in the initial hyaluronic. So lip injections are safe. They are being done by men and women, and they're popular in both genres. And as far as moisturizer, during the winter, stay away from chapstick. Hit me in the comments section and I could share some other things that you could do to replenish the moisture in your lips. There's one other thing I wanted to mention with regards to your lips. There is an additional procedure that we do now with botox, which helps to give you like a little pucker, a little plump, in addition to the filler. So I'm sure you guys are probably familiar with that technique, and if you're not, leave me information in the comment section and I'll fill you in on the details. All right, I'm going to see you guys tomorrow, but I'm going to keep these brief because I actually have quite a few patients this morning, but I wanted to make sure that I stopped by and said hello. Dr. Testosterone is going to be around later today on Facebook talking about testosterone, her usual. Maybe you guys may want to check her out. The name of the Facebook group is The Hormone Mythbusters. All right, well, until we meet again, Dr. Testosterone, well, I am Dr. Testosterone. I get confused about who I am. Dr. Tess, aka Dr. Testosterone, giving you information that you could use. Stay healthy, libido looks in life. Don't forget, like, share, comment, and come on back tomorrow. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Leave a comment, and I will be sure to respond personally. Please subscribe and turn on that bell notification. If you enjoyed the material, smash that like button. If you would like to become a sponsor, discuss brand deals, collaborating, or hiring me for speaking engagements, please send me an email to the address contained in the description box. Thanks again.